Guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for tuning in. Today's video we're doing something really important on the ML55. I'm pretty sure the spark plugs in this car is pretty much demolished, toasted. It could be spark plugs, maybe wires or ignition coils, but I've got a whole brand new set of spark plugs, ignition coils, and wires, and we're going to be tackling that here pretty shortly. But let me show you guys what I have here on the table. I've got a set of Denso Iridium TT Platinum spark plugs. I love these spark plugs. They work fantastic. Obviously you need 16 for the V8s. These are aftermarket coils. They're very great, superior quality aftermarket coils. I didn't go with Bosch, but these work as well. Wires as well. These are looking great. I've already gone ahead and connected everything, so I can just go ahead and slap it on the car. I'm dying to see, exactly how the spark plugs look on this car. I mean, after the oil change, I noticed the filter pretty terrible. Transmission, you guys saw that. If you haven't seen it, we found something in the oil. Go check it out. So I'm glad I got that taken care of. First I'm doing spark plugs, wires, and coils on this car. So I realized I have to take off the air box here. Ow, dang it. I've never taken this off before, but this is pretty much the mass airflow sensors attached to this piece right here. Go ahead and just yank it out. Okay, that worked. Let me go ahead and unplug this here, guys, real quick. I took this box out. I'm actually yet to replace the air filter on this thing, but this is pretty much how it looks like once you take the box off. This screw right here, it's an E12. It's pretty much holding on to this guy right here. I thought I could move it out of the way. And we have some room. That should do. I think I told you guys this is a T30. Perfecto. So these coils that already have wires on them, I'm pretty much gonna match them up with what I have, because some of these wires are longer than the others. So let me go ahead and just pop them off here real quick, and we can match them. I'm pretty sure, well, these actually look like the same length, but those wires I have are way longer. Yeah. Holy crap, look at that. Not sure what got in there. It looks like water, but these definitely haven't been looked at for a while. Oh, look at that. Huh. Guys, I'm taking the spark plugs off. Okay, let's see. Not that bad. It's got some oil. Oh gosh, not the best looking. Oh, these are NGK. These are NGK Iridium. Not bad. Yeah, this has definitely got some sort of like, I don't know what's going on here, but yeah, these are probably pretty much done. All right, let's go ahead and take the rest out. It's about time we put the new plugs in. I've taken all the old plugs out. They're right here. Yeah, that, I don't know why it's like that, but yeah, these are overdue. New plugs, plug them between 19 to 22 foot-pounds of torque, but I'm gonna go 20. So guys, these, remember to turn them counterclockwise so you don't cross-thread them. Until you hear that pop, and then you know it's in the groove, and then you can start tightening. Coils are going in, boys. Top one always goes in first before the second. These you're just gonna do by feel. You're gonna feel it like pop in. Just got the driver's side off. I'm gonna tell you, this side is a lot tougher than that side. I mean, this side really wasn't too bad at all, but this side, it's just so tight, like, yeah. I mean, when I did this on the CLK, it's a lot easier than the ML itself, but everything's out of it, so I'm gonna put in the new spark plugs and torque everything back to spec. Guys, 3 hours later, it's done. First start. Guys, I am completely done with this job. I'm glad I was able to get this done. If anything, if you're doing yours on the driver's side, it's a little bit tough to get to, you know, the plugs, especially fitting your tools there. I'd say it's tough, but on the passenger side, not bad at all. But other than that, guys, this concludes it for this video. If you guys really enjoy this content, doing the maintenance on this car, stay tuned for other videos. We've got more stuff we're going to be doing in terms of changing out the air filter, cabin air filter, and a few other things that we need to address. So if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, smash the like button as well, and stay tuned for future content. All right, I'll catch you guys later.